Hi guys, so we're going sledding right now. We're in the car and we're with my sister's friend Angie. So let's go sledding.
Angie's. She's got the inner tube.
Oh, that's Angie's?
Which is cool.
I didn't know that.
Then we got the old school flying saucer.
Is that Angie's?
That's Angie's.
And these two are...
Then we have this boat toboggan, this plastic toboggan.
Guys,
It's
I'm
kind of
going
cool.
in this one. No, I called that one.
And then Blake wants to go on this big saucer, but Peyton called it first. She may end up on that saucer first.
And I'm going in this one.
So it's snowing, conditions are cool. Hey girls, come here. Today we're gonna try to find out who's the fastest. So we're gonna have some races a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. We pulled the Explorer up on the hill here. All right, here we go. We have 3 kids on one super slider. One super flyer. Here we go. I got you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, there we go. Oh, they did a 360. All right, that was cool. That was awesome. Guys are spinning around. Blake, that was cool. Girls chasing the geese away. There's the geese. Went from sledding to chasing geese, throwing snowballs at geese. Blake, what's going on here? Why are we standing in water? Your boots are gonna get all wet here. Oh, you hear the geese? Now you guys are stepping in geese poop. You guys are in geese poop right now. Yeah, they poop in there. That's disgusting. Come on, let's go back on the sled. Angie, did you catch any of the birds with the snow? No? Did you just lick the snow?
Yeah.
I hope it wasn't yellow. Peyton, don't lick the yellow snow. Ew.
It's lemonade.
Ew. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Uh-oh. Might be hell to pay for that one, Peyton. Might be some hell to pay for that one. Get her, Ange. I wouldn't put up with that. Blake, I wouldn't put up with that either. Oh, good shot, Ange. Wow, she got you right on the top of the head. She got you right on the top of the head. That was some shot. Ange is throwing cannons right now. Get her, Ange. Oh, jeez. Go get her. Go get her. Shh, sneak up on her. Sneak up on her. Go ahead, go get her. Yeah. Go ahead, go get her. Oh! Alright guys, well this is what we're doing today. We're doing snowball fights, throwing snow at geese, and sledding. That's what we're doing today. Hope you're having a good snow day. But Blake, you making snow angels? Let me see a big snow angel. Go ahead. Show everyone this big snow angel you can make. Oh, okay. All right. And what are you making? It's awesome. What do you think everyone likes my hat? Everyone like my hat? What do you think, guys? Am I overdressed or underdressed? I don't know. It's kind of a lot of snow. It's cold out here. I got this fake fur on my head, and I'm feeling pretty warm. So, Blake said she's feeling hot. Just give me your hat. This means we're going into hypothermia. Okay, tell me when you want it back. Here goes Angie down the hill. Nice. You had a nice speed going there. Nice speed. Nice. You had a nice speed going there. Nice speed. Whoa, we had a collision. Is everybody okay down there? Hey Blake, you gonna say hello to everybody? Okay.
And I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below in the comments if you like this video and subscribe to my channel and give me a big